Yo, YouTube people, what is up? Me and Jax, he's in here tearing up another shop tile. But hey, buddy, I can't let you eat this one. It's full of transmission fluid and probably dirt. Yeah, sorry about that, bud. Here, I'll give you a better one. Let's give him this one to tear up or something. Here, tear up that one. Tear up that one, boy. Silly dude. But the Harley truck's off the lift. It's not finished. We came into some problems with the back of the bed, the 6-link cantilever kit not wanting to go up all the way for some reason. So we got to figure that out. But in the meantime, told you guys the transmission went out in the Chevelle for the first test drive and it ended up going out. And it's all on the lift. Well, here's my brand new transmission. Just got built for me. I took all the paint off and I'm actually doing a wrinkle black paint job on the transmission. Make it look a lot better than what it is. I think the wrinkle black will look really good under there. But it's a built 700 R4. I got a new stall for it. I got a 3200 or 2800, 3200 stall. So the stall's up between 28 and 32. This is an overdrive transmission. So I'm gonna have to get the drive shaft cut and cut down the size. I think it's 3 inches I gotta get taken out of this thing. But here it is. Grinding down some of the casting marks and stuff like that I didn't like. I'm gonna sand it down a little bit better. But it should come out and look really good wrinkle black. And he's going to town over there. Also, the Sierra, as you notice, the Sierra's not here. Remember when I was talking about selling everything in the last video? This is where the Sierra was parked. Well, guess what? I sold it. I sold the Sierra, sold the motors, sold everything. I was tired of messing with it. Wasn't going anywhere. Nah, I'm just playing. The Sierra's actually at the body shop, getting the roll pan all welded in like I want it, and the back of it painted, and a couple other things that I wanted to get. I got a smooth wiper cowl for the Sierra, and a few other things that I needed some paint work attention on. And I took it there to get that done because it's actually going through the shop to get the motor and stuff put in it, and about 2 to 3 weeks. So whenever it leaves that shop, it's gonna go straight to the other shop to get done. But here's the grill that I just got done painting for it. Copper. There's a company called All Real Gold, and they sell copper products, rose gold products, regular gold products. I just really like copper, and that's what I'm gonna do with the truck. Just stay black and copper. So tell me what you guys think about that. That's literally paint. I think it looks pretty darn good. But anyways, enough for all that. There's the drive shaft I gotta take out there. Take 3 inches off of the drive shaft. I just yanked the wires out. He's looking at me like I'm crazy. Just yanked the wires out of the charger here. Put them back. But yeah, there's the drive shaft. I gotta get 3 inches taken out of that. Put that back in there. And then the joy of all this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take this X pipe down. I'm hoping that's about it. Hoping I'll be able to undo it from like right here, right there, in that area. Undo it right here, slip the X pipe back, take the cross member off. If I'm not mistaken, I'm actually gonna have to move the cross member back a couple inches. There's some more holes, and I'm hoping that these holes right here, and I'll just use this hole and this hole, and it goes this little bit to move for the new transmission mount. Well, which I didn't even think. Now I'm gonna have to buy a new transmission. I really hope that this transmission mount that I got here works, because it's a brand new polyurethane one. Really nice one, so before I order a new one, I'll see if that one works. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a little bit of work. I also gotta change the shifter. Well, I don't gotta change the shifter. There's a shifter kit for that, for the original shifter, to where it turns it into, you know, 4-speed instead of 3-speed. It's just a little kit with $110, and it even comes with the new placard on the top of it for the factory style, where it's got the overdrive, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. The only thing I think that's gonna be possibly the biggest pain is figuring out the Dakota digital gauges, because I got it set up for 3-speed, and there was a way to set it up for 4-speed, because if I'm not mistaken, that's how it was actually set up at first, was 4 to 4-speed, but I don't remember what I had to do or anything like that. But I'm trying to get this thing back on the road. I want to drive it again. I mean, shoot, I've only drove the thing, you know, a handful of times. So, just wanted to give you guys a little update. I know I haven't been on here in a while, so things are coming along. Not as good as I wanted, like, especially with this one. This one's not coming along as good as we wanted. There's a really good possibility that I have to cut the bed up in here for this cantilever kit, and actually have the rear of the truck to lay all the way on the ground, and that could be what's causing it to not want to come up all the way. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll find out. I actually got to call the company today with this thing, so I'm not 100% sure, but I will find out. Yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate everybody that's watched. I'll be getting a swimming pool here, so maybe I'll do a vlog of us putting up the swimming pool. Do a vlog of us swimming or something, I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, man, like I said, I won't talk you guys the ear off. I don't like doing them too long unless there's a lot of progress being shown. So, if you could, please like and subscribe. It helps me out tremendously. I'm extremely close to 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could help me get there. If you can't, it's cool, I understand too. There's my little Puddin' Fab Shop stickers right there with old Ruby and Cletus and Cars. But appreciate everybody that has watched the vlogs, everybody that's liked them, subscribed, or shared them. Yeah, man, I'm out. Jackson's over there somewhere tearing stuff up still. He says later. Thanks for watching, guys.